Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You're watching Fruitech. OnePlus has started rolling out the February 2026 SOTA B40P02 update for all eligible OnePlus devices. We already covered the video review of this update for OnePlus Nord 5. But yesterday I also received the same update via release candidate section on my OnePlus 11R and 12R. So I flashed this update on both of these devices. Today in this video, we are going to review this update for OnePlus 11R and 12R. Make sure to watch this video till the end because I found some bugs on OnePlus 11R in this version, and I also confirmed the ARB status of this version for both of these devices. Our channel reviews the Oxygenus updates, features and the new Android mods for all OnePlus devices. So we request you all to like, hype and share this video, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon for notifications of our upcoming content. Now without further delay, let's get started. This is my OnePlus Nord 5, which I already updated to this new SOTA version. Its in-depth review video link you will find in the iCard. Once you update your both of the devices, if you check the about device details of OnePlus 12R, the Oxygenus version is still 16.0.3 V500. Only SOTA version number has updated to new V40P02. The security patch is still of old February 2026. Similarly, on the OnePlus 11R, the Oxygenus SOTA version number has updated to V40P02. The old one was V30P01. The OnePlus 11R is still running on the Oxygenus 16.0.2 V400 with the old January security patches. This device has yet to receive the new Oxygenus 16.0.3 V500 version update. This update has the same changelog for both of these devices, and it's also same for OnePlus Nord 5. That's why in this video I will not go into the detailed review of all of these features. I will only test the two major features. For other changes and the features, please check the OnePlus Nord 5 video review. All those features are same and working on both OnePlus 11R and 12R. The first and most hyped feature of this update is a new pop-out feature in OnePlus Photo application. Actually, this is an AI effect to customize your collage photos. You just have to select some photos that you want to add in a collage. Now, if you tap on any of the photos in a collage, you will get the new pop-out option. If you tap on it, AI will pop out the subject of that image from photo frame. We can zoom in or out these pop-out images and can give an amazing look to your collage photos. Other collage features continues to work along with this feature. To remove the pop-out effect, you just need to deselect the pop-out option by tapping the images again. This feature is working perfectly on OnePlus 12R, but OnePlus 11R has some issues with this that I will tell you in the About Bugs section of this video. Next, for OnePlus AI Writer in a Write Anything feature, which supports the more types of writing, including compositions, letters, proposals, job descriptions, essays, and video scripts. So we can customize your content in a more personalized format using these options. For example, here I generated well-optimized video script for my video using the new video scripts option on OnePlus 11R. Similarly, I used the later style option in Write Anything feature and immediately wrote a reply to an email which I received in the Gmail for my OnePlus 12R. This new AI Write Anything feature and other photo app features which are mentioned in the changelog are working perfectly on both OnePlus 11R and 12R. But OnePlus 11R has some bugs with new pop-out feature. When I tried to apply the pop-out feature for collage images, it's missing in the OnePlus Photo application. I tried to updating the AI service engine, but still it's not working on OnePlus 11R, even though the photo application is the latest one. This is very disappointing for OnePlus 11R users. I also tried to check the major issue of BGMI gameplay, which is only running at the 90 FPS in old Oxygenus version. I thought it might be resolved with this new SOTA update. But again, I was disappointed. This issue is not fixed by OnePlus. BGMI is still running at only 90 FPS. I reported both of these issues of OnePlus 11R to OnePlus team. Let's see what happens in the next update for OnePlus 11R. For the OnePlus 12R, everything is running good so far. Actually, I was about to release the battery life, gaming, and the performance review of new Exynos 16.0.3 V500 version for OnePlus 12R. But because we received this new SOTA update, I decided to release that video after testing it with the new version. So you will have to wait for at least 2 to 3 days. Once I get the correct data for battery, performance and the gaming, I will release that video soon, so stay tuned. Last but not least, what is the anti-rollback status of this version on OnePlus 11R and 12R? Both devices do not have ARB implementation in these Exynos SOTA updates. So if you want to roll back to older versions from these new versions, you can do it without worries. This is all about for today guys. Hope you liked our work. Then please do like, hype and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon for notifications of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.